Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Android 11 CR Droid OS on your Coolpad Cool One. So let's get started. So I'm currently running on Android 11 Aero OS. You can be on any UI to install Android 11 CR Droid. So first thing first, that you need to install a custom recovery known as TWRP in your device. If you don't know what it is, I will give you the link in the description how you can install it. So now we will go to the recovery menu by pressing the volume up and power button together. Now we will go to install. Select the storage as USB OTG because I have downloaded the files in the pen drive. All these files which you will need to download will be given in the description below. So we will flash this Sharp Recovery SHRP. It will be done in 2 seconds. Now we will get back and reboot our recovery. I have downloaded everything in my pen drive. You can download everything on your PC and later transfer it to your phone at a later stage. You will see a secure boot warning, but don't worry, click on it and click on the tick below. Now we will go to the wipe section, click on advanced wipe and select everything. Now we will confirm the wipe. It will ask us again to confirm. Don't worry about any red message that you will encounter. Just get back, click on format data and it will wipe all your phone. At this stage of installation, you will have to connect your phone to the PC to transfer the ROM file and the NIC apps. In my case, I have downloaded it in my pen drive. So I will go to flash, select the storage as USB OTG and search for my files. Here it is, the CR Droid ROM. We will select the CR Droid ROM zip and click on flash. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes and after this will be done, get back, flash the NIC apps which I will give the link in the description. Click to confirm it and it will also be done around 1 minute or so. And after this is done, get back, click on reboot and click reboot again. Now you may remove the pen drive. Now we will see the Coolpad logo as well as the CR Droid boot animation. This will hardly take around 2 to 3 minutes to boot. If it doesn't boot, then press the power button for 10 seconds for it to force reboot. Now I'll have to set this device up. Let's speed things up for you to save your time. And here we go into the OS. So this is the CR Droid based on Android 11 for the Leeco Coolpad Cool One. So first let's check the Android version of this ROM. This is indeed the Android 11. I like this animation very much. There is dedicated dark theme button which enables pitch black dark mode all over the device, even in the quick setting panel and notification panel, as well as the app drawer. There's also screen recording feature which can record device internal audio. Now coming to the CR Droid settings, there are a lot of customizations. There are so much customizations that I cannot show all of them in one video. Starting from the clock style, the status bar, you just name it, it's here. The best feature I like is the double tap to sleep and double tap to wake. We can long press the power button to enable the torchlight. That's amazing. You can also have customized volume steps, the number of steps that you want in your volume buttons. The camera didn't work for me, but I think it might work for you if you do a restart. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ended up liking this video, please consider subscribing the channel. Thank you very much. This was Tech Stuff signing off. Peace.
Prepare to die.